And I remembered one other thing that's kind of neat. I don't think it's ever really been on our regions, but what the heck, let's mention it. Um, if you know anybody that's over near the shoreline, talk to them about what the water's like today. There's wave warnings all over the place. There's going to be high water warnings, not like high water like we had in 17 and 19, but beach warnings. Reason being, I don't know what map's easiest for me to do this on. This is one we don't plan, right? It's a kind of a neat thing called a Seiche. If you Seiche. If you picture Lake Ontario like a big bathtub, if you've got very strong westerlies, winds coming out of the west, it can almost it's not exactly like a big wave, but it's kind of like a big wave. It can push a big wave of water over here towards our end of the lake. So don't go trying to check any of this out today because there's warnings. It's dangerous. But should you know anybody that's near the lake, ask them, what it's like today. I'd anticipate that channel going into North Pond, which you definitely shouldn't go to because you got a boat to get out there. We'll fill in a little bit more. It's very low right now. We have low water in Lake Ontario this year. Maybe the mouth of the Salmon River. I don't know. I'm not really as familiar with it over there. But I bet you if you know people near the shoreline, they're going to say, yeah, the water was up a little bit, pretty good waves. And again, that'll be once all those westerly winds come in this afternoon and shove water over towards our end of Lake Ontario, which will then wash back out once the wave goes. Let's make sure I'm spelling that right. Seiche. Yep. Cool little diagrams. Good old Wikipedia. That's not what I want. That's a cuttlefish. It's in French, but that's okay. shoves the water up towards one end of the lake. There we go. There's one in English. All right. Cool stuff. And again, great job. We'll talk to you guys soon.